Hey guys, what's happening? Squid Game mode in Ink Game is high pressure elimination round with strict rules, and winning it requires patience, precision, and psychological plays. First of all, understand the rules. Typically, you will face challenges inspired by the Squid Game series, red light, green light style movement, obstacle courses, or timed objectives. One mistake usually means instant elimination. Resist the urge to rush. In-stop, go challenges. Practice halting your movement exactly when needed. Use small taps instead of holding forward for more control. Many players panic and overcommit. Wait for them to make mistakes. Position yourself slightly behind aggressive players so they draw enemy fire first. In obstacle-based rounds, power rolls can help you clear dangerous gaps or dodge hazards. Time them only when safe. Mid-roll mistakes are often fatal. Next, always keep an eye on the countdown. If time is running low, commit fully to the objective rather than playing safe. Lastly, in the last 1v1 or 1v2 movement, control the center zone or key pathway. Force enemies into tight spaces where you can trap or ink them efficiently. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.